Please tell me what this is. Smell it.
Speed it up. Hold on. Run that back turbo. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. We back at it again. Gonna put this in there. Let's get it on. Yeah. I got some shrimp and some other stuff, so stay tuned. Yes, sir. You see how this going? Get it going quick. Get it going quick, baby. Gonna burn it up. On fire. I'm finna pop this in the oven. You know what I'm saying? We'll be right back. I got shrimp, tater, salmon, crab, all that good stuff in there. So here's the finished product, you know. Got a little bit of everything in there. Don't quote me on the recipe, you know, I got my own sauce, so I'll put that in there. So yeah, that's all for today. So much for going to go watch it. So, just chilling. Standing in the middle of the street. Nothing too glamorous, but you know, they popping little stuff down the street, so. Peep the drip. Let me see. Yes. Sir, get it in there. Golden Girls. Yeah. But, you know, it is what it is on that, though. It's pretty cool so far. 4th of July. Whatever. See what they got in here today. Backstage at Macy's. What the fuck is this? No. Denim and flowers. No, I ain't dripping. Nope. That shit too small. Nope. Woven shirts. I don't see nothing really. What the fuck is this a dress? What is this? This is a dress. I'm convinced. It's a straight up dress for a dude. What is this? Hell no. Let's see. No, definitely not. The man, the myth, the legend, damn. I ain't opening up that shirt. It's so loud. Oh, that's a good one. Ask your mom, because I'm not doing it. Kenneth Cole. $45 shirt. Best dad ever. What else is over there? Hopefully I'll find something in there, because that done changed a lot of stuff around since I've been here last week. So just stay tuned. Never really understood it. How people like Target so much. Barely come in here for like one thing. So hopefully they got something. Man, love you and all, but I'll wait till it go down some more. They even got this book right here. It was interesting. The last OG cookbook. I'll wait till it goes down. Watch this show, it's pretty good. I'll wait till it goes down. Love this, I watched this all the time on Facebook. Definitely wait. Next, please tell me what this is. Smell it. I've never seen this before in my life. No, I don't need none of these. How they come with this guy? Strawberries, cinnamon. dressing robes high as a motherfucker, though. Plus, they got taco shit. I ain't never seen that style cream. Milk. I don't know what that is. Now what the? Why would I buy this? It's like a sharp cheddar. Oh, that looks nasty. Look how much it is. Put that back. Port wine. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see this. Still got a beer. String cheese, it's good, but I don't eat it like that. Ooh, reduce out. This is almost this is a chocolate celebrating $1. That's ridiculous. I don't eat cereal. They're on the mission, no cereal. No, we good on that. No, what that is. Nope, not I. What's this? Ooh, we got discounted liquor. Let's see, what's this? Moon pie. $5. What is this? Shrimp scampi, something. You know what I'm saying? Shrimp skillet. Obey. Obey got high. Fish and taco sauce. Never seen that. $5. Extra high cocktail sauce. Nope. So yeah. That shit nasty. Don't argue with me. It's not. Don't do it. Shit nasty. Never eat moon pies. Never. Almost pulled my cover, but I'll be back, y'all. $12. $1. $3. $16. $1. Put you on to these. $1. I ain't seen these in like 3 weeks. $1. $1 pop tarts at Walmart. Trying to save you a little money. What else they got? Oh, they got cookies and cream. Look at that. Chocolate fudge, brown sugar, cherry. I'm trying not to eat too much of these pop tarts because I really don't need them, but fuck it, though. Basket full of stuff. Probably not even $20. Or even $5, but it's good though. I always come in for one thing. Look what I got. Got these. I don't eat these like that, but I got this. Got some of that. Tragic. Tragic. Come in for one thing.
She leave a leak in the sheet. She 5'3", but a big old freak. Let's go.
myself. All of this drinking not good for my health. I got a sold out show on the 12th. I just be working.